What's going on, everybody? Cam.The.Pitman here for Heart Spice Company. Here with my main man, Wyatt. All right. Today, we got the crawfish boil. I've heard me talk about it. Now you're all going to get to see it. There you go. Good job. Good job. All right, today, Wyatt and I are going to be using the two-pot method. One method over here, and one pot over here is just going to be for fixings. We got the mushrooms, the lemons, red potatoes, and them onions. We're gonna go down with them. Use the paddle wipe. We're gonna bring that to a boil. Let the potatoes get soft. Go down. Okay, here you go. Careful with your fingers. Put them in the tub. We've already got this water to a rolling boil. We got a few bottles of the liquid boil in there. Now we're going to add 2 blocks of butter. Go ahead, Wyatt. About 8 pounds of seasoning. You want to dump that in, son? Use your favorite kind of seasoning. Normally I'm using my bowl de brasses, but we're all sold out. Good problem to have. Full bottle. Big bottle. That's Tabasco. Give it a swirl. Two jugs, sliced jalapenos. It's going to add a little bit of a spicy, kind of salty brininess to it. We really, really love.
And we are also going to add one more.
Go get that other jug, son.
And we also have one more.
You can dump it in, you want me to do it? Six lemons, cut and split. You don't need to squeeze them. It's going to go in here, the boil's going to take it all out. This pot can do 2 sets. Here's the first one. Mudbugs going in. Second sack going in. Ow. Come on now. There they are. We're going to keep that boil going for 3 minutes. We're going to kill the heat. Sometimes there's people who don't eat crawfish. We don't hold it against them personally. You got picky eaters and you got kids. So here's what we got for them. We're doing up some leg quarters. And we got ourselves some Fanta Red. It's gonna be good. Look at that. Bottom rack, get some loving too. Gonna be some good eating today, y'all. Ready? It's been almost 5 minutes. We let them go a little bit longer because we're doing so much. Ready, Wyatt? Let's give this a mix. We're kicking all that seasoning up off of the bottom. It's hot, trust me. Nice and easy, son. Look at that. Get a good close up of that. Look at them mud bugs. Nice and cooked. We don't need to boil them. We don't need to boil them anymore. They're all floating. Kill the heat. Now it's all about that soak. We'll see y'all in 30 minutes. I got some of that smoked cheddar and cheese and jalapeno deer sausage from Mina's Meats. Frank from Mina's Meats Company, thank you so much for giving us this. It's going in a crawfish boil. Get all this in there. All right, they've been sitting for about a minute. They boiled for about 4, sitting for a minute. I want to stop the cooking process, otherwise the tails are going to shrivel up and get rubbery. So to do that, I got 20 pounds of ice. Going right on in. I used a little bit more than half of it. Hold on, Wyatt. Move this around. I want to bring that water down to about 180 degrees. I want to stop the cooking and start the soaking. That's what we want to do. And mix that cold water in. This is called shocking. So when people talk about shocking the boil, that's what they're talking about. Throwing some ice or something solid in there to stop the cooking and start the soaking. Still got to get a little bit of steam and going a little bit more. You don't want them to overcook. They can always soak. Right now the tails are cooked, safe to eat. Now we're all about absorbing flavor. So you can if I let them sit in some water that's around 160, 180 degrees, they're just going to sit and soak. That's all we're going to do. See how they've already started to sink? Because the water dropped in temperature. Get in there. We're going to close this up. See y'all in 30. All right, we ain't never done these before, so we're going to let you know how they go. But this is a special request for the birthday girl. Go ahead and get these raviolis in here, Wyatt. These are 4 cheese raviolis. We're just putting them in there in the soak. Let them get some of that good boil. Let it down. Get these mixed around in here. All right. Hold on. All right. Let's close it up. All right, so these crawfish have been soaking for almost an hour. We let them go a little bit extra long. Look at that. Up and over. Done with this? All right, the crawfish is done. Look how pretty these are. Jalapenos in there. First, I'm going to try some of that Mina's Meats by Frank Mina. Some of that smoked deer sausage we've thrown in the boil. Oh, man. You want some of that. Frank Mina knocked it out of the park on that, buddy. See how well these peel. Look at that. That's like the juice out of that head. Peel that first ring. Pull it off. That one didn't go very well. Let me try another one here. Woo! It absorbed all that flavor. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Y'all, we're gonna tear these up Got some chicken up there we're gonna tear up. Thanks for watching. Till next time, y'all stay bold.